Hi, this is Kevin with Alta, the new ultra light travel trailer from Forest Rivers east to west. Another really quick floor plan focus. So this is the 2350 KRK. King bed up front, as always, and then rear kitchen in the back. So the bedroom's built around the king bed, 72 by 80, lots of space. You're gonna go through a split bathroom. So with this, we have a giant shower area, nice and enclosed. You have the toilet, you have the oversized sink with the storage. Again, real wood doors that'll separate and close off. Now we're in the living space. For the living space, you have this table and booth, or you can get another option with theater seating. Nice big window, lots of cabinets for storage space. This is one of my things that I really like. This is a built-in TV that pops up out of the cabinetry, and again, it even has that fireplace underneath. Storage, storage, storage. Here you go. Plenty of space everywhere. Again, this is a small unit. So it's 23 foot. It's going to be 5,900 pounds, and we still have all this room. Residential refrigerator. The kitchen is in the back. The rear kitchen is the focus. So you have all of this space, all of the storage, nice sink with a window for a view out the back. That's the 2350 KRK new Alta floor plan.